So, based on the type of particles that are experiencing the force, the nature of particles mediating the force, the relative strength of force acting between the particles, and the effective range over which effect of force can be felt, we can define four fundamental forces in nature, which are electromagnetic force, gravitational force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Now, let us study in brief about these four forces. So, first and foremost, gravitational force. So, what is gravitational force? So, it is a force of mutual attraction. So, what causes the mutual attraction between the objects? It is the masses of the objects. So, gravitational force is the force of mutual attraction between any two objects by the virtue of their masses. So, now I am standing on the earth because the mass of the earth is more than my mass. So, hence, I am being attracted and pulled down towards earth. So, gravitational force is a universal force and it is weakest among all the four. So, you must please remember this. Which is the weakest of all the four fundamental forces? It is the gravitational force. Secondly, electromagnetic force. As you all know, charges in motion produce electricity. So, such electricity produced in turn results in magnetic effects. So, both this electric and magnetic effects gives rise to a force called as electromagnetic force. So, hence the name electromagnetic, because it is produced both from electric and magnetic effects. So, these forces can be attractive or repulsive. So, another thing you must notice here is gravitational force is always a force of attraction, whereas electromagnetic force can be attractive or repulsive. Next, strong nuclear force. So, this is the force that binds protons and neutrons in the nucleus. It is an attractive force and it is strongest of all the fundamental force. After this, it is weak nuclear force. The weak nuclear force appears only in certain nuclear processes, so it is not universal. So, one such example which causes weak nuclear force is beta decay of a nucleus.